I'm a Ugandan-born saxophonist based in the United States now, and to be precise, here in Philadelphia. The kind of music I do is a combination of genres that have influenced my musical journey. Through the years, music that I've grown up listening to from the Ugandan perspective, and that is from jazz to world music to Afrofusion to the local Ugandan music. So it's a combination of that, and I don't know what genre name I could call it, but it's mainly influenced by contemporary jazz. Originality, because I try to express myself in the most honest way. The kind of music I enjoy, as long as I enjoy it, I want to share that with the world, share that with people that would enjoy it. And that is the soul of Africa, the soul of my story, the challenges I've grown up, the joys that I've grown up listening to. I express all that in my music, and that's the joy sometimes that comes through my performances. I have been blessed to be working with some of the people that I've grown up listening to and admiring and looking up to. Idols that I never thought that I would meet. People like Kuma Sekela, Dave Coles, Kirk Whalum, Manudi Bango, Angelique Jo. I hosted Miriam Makeba in Uganda before she passed. There are many highs that I've enjoyed, and those have been so key because these are people I've grown up listening to and admiring, but I've also shared stage with all of them, and each of them was special, and those for me have been highs of my career.